I want to teach you how to install the Seoquake extension for your Google index results, um, Yahoo index result, and Bing index result. Basically, this is for you to be able. This tool is basically an SEO tool. I use this for my SEO performance report to get a report on indexing from search engines. So you go to Google to install this. It's an extension. Once you install it, you find it. Extensions are basically softwares that makes some tags easy. They make tags. Some tags, some tags you do online very easy. They makes it very easy for you. So once you type SEO Cook extension on Google search, you click on the first result. When you click on the first result, then you click on add to Chrome, then you click add extension. You wait for the extension to download. So once you download the extension, this is it. This is it by clicking on the icon, manage your extension by clicking extensions in the tool. So now you can't find it here. So in order for you to find it, you have to pin it. Click here and look for the SEO quick, then pin it. So this is it. This is how you install the SEO quick extension. Thank you.